Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. If you are aiming to become a Java full stack developer in 2025, or you are already on the journey and want to make sure you are covering all the right tools, technologies, and best practices, then you are on the right place. In this video, we are going to break down the ultimate roadmap to master Java full stack development. From front-end frameworks to the back-end APIs, databases to the DevOps, and everything in between. So grab your notepad because this is going to be a packed with practical insights. So let's dive right into it. Number one, Agile development practices. Agile is mindset and methodology focus on delivering software iteratively, collaboratively, and adaptively. It prioritizes customer feedbacks, working software, and flexibility. In agile development practices, you should more focused on agile methodology like principle, sprint, and iterative development approach, and focus on pair programming that collaborate code practices, sprint planning for backlog grooming, and velocity estimation and story points. Number two, Linux Essential. Guys, most of the Java applications are deployed on the Linux system. So every Java developer should aware the ecosystem of Linux OS, like Linux terminals, Linux file system and its permission, essential commands, and remote access. Number third, version control systems. Git core concepts like git init, git clone, git commit, git push and pull, git branching and merging, git workflow like git flow, trunk basis development, pull request strategies. Number fourth, relational databases. Database design, that is normalization, ER modeling, SQL operations like DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. Data types and indexing like primary and unique keys, full text, geospatial, complex queries like joins, subqueries, and having clause. Relationship like foreign keys, one-to-one relation, one-to-many relation, and many-to-many relation. Materialized views, use cases, and performance considerations. Number fifth, NoSQL databases. NoSQL concepts, data models, architectures, CAP theorems, and caching layers, that is Redis and Memcached. Number 6, master core Java and advanced Java. In core Java, you have to understand in depth, that is object oriented programming, data types, exception handling, collection frameworks, stream APIs, lambdas, IO operations, IO stream, and file handling. Number 7, build tools. You have awareness of build tools like Gradle and Maven. Number 8, web fundamentals. HTTP basics like request, response, status codes, session management like cookies and sessions. Number 9, that is Spring frameworks. You have to also master the Spring and Spring Boot frameworks like Spring MVC, Spring Boot, Spring Data JPA, Hibernate, and Entity Relationship. Number 10th, security. Spring security, that is authentication and authorizations, session management, JWT and OPEC tokens, Auth 2.0 concepts. 11th, caching solutions like Spring Cache abstractions, Redis integration, Hibernate second level cache, method level caching. Number 12, messaging and queues. Messaging concepts like pub, sub, broadcast, topics and queues. RabbitMQ basics and uses. Kafka awareness. Number 13, front-end development. The Java full stack developer should aware the front-end development frameworks like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and modern framework like React.js, Angular, and Vue.js. Number 14, Microservices Architecture. Design pattern, service discovery, Spring Cloud components, scalability, and fault tolerance. Number 15, containerization and orchestrations like Docker and Kubernetes. Number 16, CI/CD basics, continuous integration and deployment concepts, pipeline overviews, popular tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CDs. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech insight videos. See you next time. Until then, keep coding and stay curious.